Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
I think you can do this question from the knowledge of class 9th without using this formula, right? The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. Okay, let us say he took 2 wickets in first match, 6 wickets in second match, 4 wickets in third match. So similarly, he took these many wickets in 10 matches, right? So he took 2 wickets in first match and again 2 wickets in sixth match. This is the sixth match, this is the first match. I am going like this, right? So I am assuming that this data is written for the first match, second match, third match and so on. Okay, even if it is not written like this, my conclusion won't be different, because what I want to conclude here is that there were 3 matches in which the bowler took 2 wickets, right? And rest of the numbers, if you see, are not more than this 2. What I mean to say is that if you look at this data, 2 appears maximum number of times, right? 2 appears maximum number of times, that is 3 times, right? So what is the mode of this data? The number having the maximum frequency. So 2 has got maximum frequency, that is 3, hence mode of this data is 2, right? This is something we know already. Now let us look at the grouped data. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. Okay. Family size 1 to 3, there are 7 such families, okay, and there are 8 families which have a family size of 3 to 5. There are 2 families who have a family size of 5 to 7 and 2 having 7 to 9, and there is 1 family having 9 to 11 members in their family. Now look at the maximum. 8 is the maximum number, right? Because this is giving me the frequency. Okay, so 8 is the maximum frequency, or we can say family size of 3 to 5 is for the maximum number of families. So this is my model class. This is my model class, the class which have maximum frequency. So this is my model class. So what is L? L is the lower limit of model class, so it will be 3, right? What is H? H is the class size, so upper limit minus the lower limit, that is 2, right? And what is the frequency of model class? It is obviously 8, which is the maximum frequency in this case. What is F1? Frequency of the class preceding the model class. So this class is preceding the model class, so the frequency F1 will be 7, and frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 2, right? So what else do we require? Let us apply the formula for mode, which is L plus F minus F1 divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into H, right? L we know is 3, F minus F1, so 8 minus 7 divided by twice of F, that is twice of 8, minus F1, that is 7, F2, that is 2, into the class size, which is 2. So what is the result? 3 plus this is 1 divided by this is 16, and 7 and 2 is 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7, right, into 2. So it will give you 3 plus 2 by 7. Okay, this is 21, 23 by 7. Okay, so this is the mode of this data, 23 by 7. and you can write it in decimal form, 3.28, right, approximately. So this is the mode, right. To calculate the mode, we are concerned with the finding of model class first, right. What is the model class? The class having maximum frequency. Once you locate the model class, you just need the lower limit of the model class size, and then the frequency of model class, frequency of the class preceding the model class and succeeding the model class. So these data, if you have with yourself, then you just need to apply this formula to get the mode of that data. Okay. Let's look at some more questions here. The marks distribution of 30 students in a mathematics examination are given in the table below. Find the mode of this data. Also compare and interpret the mode and the mean, right. We did this same question in mean while calculating the mean also, and even if you don't know this question, we will do this question again here, right. So now to calculate mean, we just need to, we will apply the direct method, right. What is mean? Sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So it is 1860 divided by 30, and this will be cancelled. So the mean is 62, right. I applied the direct method here. To calculate mode, the first thing I need to look for is which one is the model class, the class having maximum frequency. So let us look at the frequency. These are the frequencies. Which one is the maximum? So 7 is the maximum frequency. So which one is the model class? This is the model class, right. So 40 to 55 is the model class. So what information will it give me? L is equal to 40. What is the frequency of model class? It is 7. What is the frequency of class preceding the model class? It is 3. And what is the frequency of class succeeding the model class? It is 6. What is class length? It is obviously 15. 55 minus 40, it is 15. Now let's apply the formula here. Mode is equal to L plus f minus f1 divided by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into h. Why I am writing this formula again and again? So that you memorize it, right. When you see it more number of times or you practice it more number of times, you tend to remember it. So L is 40, 40 plus f minus f1. So f is 7 minus f1, that is 3, twice of f. So twice of 7 is 14 minus f1, that is 3, minus f2, that is 6, into h, which is 15 in this case. So the mode will be 40 plus, this is 4 divided by 14 minus 9 is 5 into 15. So it will give you 3 here. 4 into 3 is 12. 40 plus 12 is 52. Now look at the mode. Mode is 52, whereas mean was 62. So mode in this case is smaller than the mean of this data, right. We need to compare it. So in this case, mode is smaller than the mean and it is lesser by 10, right. Now interpret the mode and the mean. So what is mean? Mean is just the average of data. So what is the data? This is the mark distribution of 30 students. So it is the average marks obtained by 30 students. This is mean, right. Average marks obtained by 30 students. What is mode? Average marks obtained by maximum number of students. Right. So mode is about the maximum frequency. So it will calculate the average marks obtained by maximum number of students.